1, 2.
Hi guys, come with me as I try out sugar waxing. Not really for the first time, but I've been into waxing before. I was actually using this wax tree, but it got really expensive and very hard to find. So I'm going to be trying sugar waxing at home. I'm going to make it myself, and I'm going to try it myself. I've been saving these babies for some time now. So come with me. Let's go make the sugar wax.
To make the wax, I'll be making use of 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of water. Place on medium heat and stir continuous. Keep stirring till it turns good color. According to the recipe I'm working with, you have to drop into a bowl of cold water to check if it's ready. Sugar has to be soft. Apply, get your fabric, cut it into pieces. Clean the area you want to wax, toner, water, soap, or whatever you have. Get rid of any form of residue from your roll-on or perfume or body lotion.
Oh my God!
What's this? Like, is this rock or what? Did I make candy? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, if you're trying to make candy, you can use that recipe to make a very delicious candy. I took it back to the heat, added water, and recooked it. Tried it again for the second time. Guess what? It did not work. I cooked it again, this time around without water. The consistency seems better than the previous ones I cooked. To apply the wax, using a stick, apply in the same direction as the hair growth. 1, 2. One of the major reasons I love waxing is that it takes out the hair from the roots. After waxing, I moisturize my armpit and seal it up with baby oil. Will I be trying it again? Oh yeah, I will. To clean the material, simply soak in hot water and wash off. If you enjoyed this video, kindly leave a comment, share this video, subscribe to my channel. Turn your notification. Till next time, bye.